Loki, what did we get? What do you want to eat for dinner?
When you're camping in your camper, what's literally the worst thing that can happen?
Rain.
We have this awning that will protect us from all of the bad things that could possibly ever happen. Do you want to see it?
Yep. Oh wow.
Look, it has
Maybe. Is
tiny
it
tiny light
LED?
bulbs.
Wow. Do you want to tell the people what happened
I don't know what happened.
with all the video?
Oh yeah.
He still doesn't know what happened.
No, I don't. We started to edit the video and I was copying them all over from the camera and it finished transferring and then there were no files anywhere. And of course I cut and pasted instead of copy pasted, so they were gone from the source too.
So now
That's van life.
you get to see what we did without actually seeing how we did it.
Yep. You have a Sprinter van and you want an awning on it so that when the sun, which is very hot, is shining on you, you don't die to death. But maybe you just don't want a Fiamma awning for whatever reason, like we didn't. So we got a Girard awning. There exist no brackets to install a Girard awning onto a Sprinter van. I'll show you how I made brackets. So this is just a simple L bracket. I made a piece that you probably can't see, which goes inside the rail. This is just 1/8 inch thick steel plate that's 1 inch wide. And the bracket obviously is just a simple 90 with a gusset. And I made a hole pattern which mates to the piece in the rail. And then this hole pattern which matches the Girard carriage bolt system. And when you do that, that doesn't work. What happened was, with the awning deployed with 3 brackets like this, one at each end and one in the middle here, the awning is legless. I didn't say, this is a GG750 awning from Girard, and it's a legless awning, so all of the support comes from the roof rail. What was happening was the awning wanted to tip out this way, so the whole roof and rail was twisting outward. The brackets were solid, but the van roof was not. So I had recording video of all that, and you guys can't see it, but what I ultimately did, at least temporarily, I don't know if it will stay long term or not, but I just made up this strap that goes all the way over to that roof rail. There's one here in the front, and there's one there in the back. And just adding those two guys made this way more solid. So I made up those straps a little bit short, so they're actually in tension when they're installed. And that helps to kind of lift the awning up that way towards the driver's side a little bit. So if you come inside here in the sliding door, right here on the passenger's B-pillar, I put the controls for the awning. This awning has LEDs in it, which is pretty awesome.
Did you show them the button?
Yeah. I'll turn the lights on. I don't know if you can tell because it's really bright right now.
I think so.
And I'll send the awning out. What was the length on this awning? Is it 10 feet? I think it was a 10 foot.
Yeah, and it extends out 8. Loki appreciates having the extra shade.
Yeah, he just flocks to it. It's not going to be next week.
How do you know?
I don't know, but I'm not going to commit to it.
Well, no.
In one of our videos that we'll make someday.
Soon.
Maybe soon. Soon's relative, right?
Yeah.
You can see our bed lift. We're pretty excited about it because I don't think that anybody has put this particular bed lift into this particular vehicle.
Do you want to tell them to like our videos?
If you like this video, then like this video.
Hit the thumbs up.